before we blow ang candle ni Kat, pakinggan muna natin yung birthday wish ni Daddy Joe. So, sir, what is your birthday wish, sir? Come here, sir. Ay, sir, birthday wish lang po. And si Kuya Kurt, si Kurt ba? Yan si Kuya Kurt na lang. Kuya Kurt, birthday wish niyo po, Kuya Kurt. Birthday wish ni Kuya. Si Kuya. Thanks, Lisa. Kaya, that's right. Birthday wish Kuya Kirk, ha? Oh, that's right. Hindi yung speech pang inauguration na doon.
I wish you more birthdays to come and more birthday to grow.
Ay, gila ko eh. Ayun pala, yun pala. Akala ko maraming picture si Kuya Kirk. Thank you so much, Kuya Kirk. And again, before sa muli sa mga birthday, we will blow na candle ni Kat. So everybody, let's count from 1 to 3. Then Kat will blow her candle. Ready? They count out. 1, 2, 3, blow! Yay! Once again, happy birthday to you, Kat. That's right. Naka-birthday wish ka na. Nakapag-wish ka na, Kat. Nakapag-wish na si Kat. Thank you so much. Once again, happy birthday. Ito lang isang Mela. Excited and nagmamadal eh. May taxi sa labas sa Mela? May taxi sa labas? That's right. Thank you so much. And pakinggan din natin ang birthday wishes ng mga lola natin, si Loni, the grandmother of our birthday girl, Ma'am Loni. Siya ka pala birthday wish. Kita pa ni Lola. O,